Hello students, in this video we are going to start chapter electricity 10th class physics. First part of electricity. In this video we are going to discuss charge, types of charge, properties of charge and related term to the electricity. When we talk about electricity, in that case first word comes in our mind, that is current. So electricity is related to current and current is related to charge. So first of all we should know what is charge. Charge is a fundamental property of a matter or a substance which causes it to experience a force when it is placed near to other matter or a substance. Means if any charged object is placed near that another substance is placed, in that case it will repel or it will attract. So force of attraction or force of repulsion will be exerted by this object. So we can say charge is a fundamental property of a matter or a substance which causes it to experience a force when it is placed near to other matter or substance. SI unit of charge is Coulomb. It is denoted by C. Charge on electron is minus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 Coulomb, and charge on proton is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 Coulomb. There are two types of charge, positive and negative. So charge is a fundamental property of a matter or a substance which make it able to experience a force when it is placed near to other matter or substance. SI unit of charge is Coulomb. It is denoted by C. Here charge is a scalar quantity because it has only magnitude, there is no direction. So SI unit of charge is Coulomb and it is a scalar quantity. Now properties of charge. Like charge repel each other and opposite charge attracts each other. If both positive, then they will repel. If both negative, then also they will repel. But one is positive, other is negative, in that case it will be attracted. If first charge is plus, other charge is plus, in that case force of repulsion will be there. But if one is negative, other is negative, same charges are there, then they will repel each other. And opposite charge, first one is positive, second is negative, and first negative, second is positive, in that case they will attract each other. Second property of charge is electric charges are added algebraically. Charge is conserved, means we cannot create or we cannot destroy charge. Charge is conserved, means algebraically sum of positive and negative charge remains same. Next property is charge is quantized. Quantized means minimum value of charge for free existence, and one quantum charge is equal to charge on one electron if q is charge, n is number of electron and E is charge on electron. In that case, Q equal to N into E. These are the properties of charge. Means like charges repel, opposite charges attracts each other. Electric charges are added algebraically and charge is conserved and charge is quantized. Quantum charge means charge on one electron. Q equal to N into E. Q is charge, N is number of electron, and E is charge on electron. Electric potential. If any charged object is there, any substance is there which is charged, so it can apply force around it in a certain region. That is called electric field. A space around a charged body in which its influence can be experienced, that is called electric field. So electric potential means work done in moving a unit positive charge from infinity to a fixed point in electric field. Work done to bring a unit positive charge from infinity to a fixed point. Why we are saying infinity? Because it is not fixed. From infinity, we have to bring a unit positive charge to fixed point. In that case, we have to apply some work, and that is known as electric potential. Electric potential means work done by moving a charge from infinity to a fixed point. If V is potential difference, W is the amount of work, and Q is charge, then V equal to Q W upon Q. Amount of work done to bring a unit charge from infinity to a fixed point is called electric potential. Electric potential difference. Electric potential difference means difference of electric pressure. When 2 points are there, 2 ends of conductor are there, A and B. Number of charges A and B are not equal. From higher potential to lower potential, charges will flow. In that case, electric potential difference, first definition we can say, difference of electric charges, electric pressure is known as potential difference. Difference of electric pressure is defined as potential difference. In other words, we can say it is defined as the work done per unit charge in moving a unit positive charge from point A to point B. Any unit charge is placed at point A, and from A we want to shift at point B. In that case, some work done will take place. So work done per unit charge in moving a unit positive charge from point A to B or B to A. Suppose W is the work done in moving charge Q from point B to point A, then potential difference is VB minus VA, that is delta of V, difference of potential difference, equal to W upon Q. Amount of work done in shifting a unit charge from one point to another point. This potential difference can be maintained by connecting a dry cell in circuit. After number of charges becoming equal on A and B, if we want to make potential difference, we want to set a potential difference, that we can do by using a battery in the circuit. its SI unit is volt. The SI unit of potential difference is volt. What is electric potential difference? Amount of work done to shift a unit positive charge from one point to another point. It can be maintained by using a battery in electric circuits. SI unit of potential difference is volt and it is denoted by V.
Voltmeter. Voltmeter is a device. Voltmeter is an instrument which is used to find potential difference between two endpoints of a conductor. Voltmeter is instrument which is used to measure electric potential difference between two points in electric circuits. Voltmeter is high resistance device, means it consumes more energy. That's why we connect voltmeter in parallel. Why voltmeter is connected in parallel? Because it is a high resistance device and it consumes more energy. So voltmeter is an instrument, is a device which is used to measure potential difference between two endpoints of a conductor. Least count of voltmeter we can find, see in figure, between 0 and 10 there are 10 divisions. So 10 division represents 10 volt. So 1 division will represent 1 volt. So least count of voltmeter is 1. To find least count, number of division between 2 points equal to 10 volts. In figure there are 0 is the first point and 10 is second point. Between 0 and 10 there are 10 divisions. 10 division represents 10 volt. So 1 division will represent 1 volt. Its least count is 1. Resistance of ideal voltmeter is infinity. Voltmeter is an instrument which is used to find electric potential difference between two endpoints. It is a high resistance device and it is connected in parallel. Resistance of ideal voltmeter is infinity.